Hi, it's Donna again, and I'm here to talk about our session 4, the last session in the upcoming series, Nourishing the Early Years 2.0. And this is entitled, It Takes a Village, Community and Connection. Because let's face it, you are not the only influence in your child's lives. You know, unless you can keep them in a bubble till the time they're 15 or maybe 20, you know, there are other people they come in contact with. There are other friends down the street. There are relatives. There's a play group. You know, there's a homeschool co-op. There's all kinds of people and places that your children, you know, are being exposed to. So we're going to talk about this because I think this is a real concern for a lot of moms. I know it was for me, and it still is. So let's, you know, talk about how to tap into the richness of your community. And she's got some great ideas on starting a play group, a co-op, and, you know, what to do when your child does something in public. Maybe every mother's nightmare. It's probably happened to everyone, or it will happen to you, because I know it has happened to me, where they do the unthinkable, and you know how to react and what you should do in those cases. She's got some great ideas for realistic ways to feel connected to your village. Also ideas for activities for young children, small groups of young children, and resources to start and maintain a Mommy and Me play group. So basically that is the 4 sessions. If you've watched the 4 videos, if you missed the other 3, you can watch them. They're really short, and they're just giving you the details on each session. Now with this 4 live sessions that we will be doing starting February 8th, you also get part 1 of Nourishing the Early Years, which we did back in the fall, which are 4 completely different sessions already pre-recorded and ready to go for you. And they are very similar as far as the topics. They are kind of building on each other. Like the first one we did in the fall was Nourishing the Hearth. And call 1 we're doing here is Home is Where the Warmth Is. So it's sort of similar, and we're going to use that so that you can listen to the part 1's call and then come to this live call with already your juices flowing and some information already there, so we can take it deeper. We want to really get into these topics. We want to answer your questions right there and then on the live calls. And if you are unable to make the live calls, because I know a lot of you are in different time zones, no worries. We have a forum that you can post all of your questions, and you can talk back and forth, share ideas, recipes, and all kinds of answering questions and getting information. That forum was a really vital part of the class that we did back in the fall, where moms were on there just chatting to each other and posting ideas, pictures, and recipes. It was wonderful to see that, and it really gives you some like-minded moms to connect with. And sometimes, honestly, people will ask questions that you never thought of, and you're thinking, oh, I'm so glad she asked that. I didn't even realize I needed to know that. And that's what's so great about learning together in a group. So check out all the details. It's an amazing course. You don't want to miss it. I don't think we're going to be doing it again, as we've just did it twice. So if you want to jump in and get some tips, some tricks, some examples, and some realistic practical tools, then this is really the place for you. And if you have any questions, you can email me at support@thewaldorfconnection.com, and I really hope that you'll gift yourself the time and investment to come get the clarity and be able to create this nourishing environment for your child and your family. Okay? I hope to see you there. Thanks.